Holi, also known as the Festival of Colors, is one of the most vibrant and joyous festivals celebrated in India and other parts of the world. It is a two-day festival that usually falls in the month of March and marks the arrival of spring. Holi is a time when people come together to celebrate the victory of good over evil, to forgive and forget, and to strengthen relationships with family and friends. It is a festival that is filled with colors, music, and delicious food. The festival starts on the night before Holi with a Holika Dahan, where a bonfire is lit to signify the burning of evil. On the second day of Holi, people gather to play with colors, dance to music, and enjoy delicious sweets and snacks. One of the most popular aspects of Holi is the use of colored powder or gulal. People smear each other with this colorful powder and drench each other with water, creating a beautiful and lively atmosphere. It is a time when people of all ages and backgrounds come together to enjoy this festival of unity and love. In recent years, Holi has gained popularity across the world, with people from different cultures coming together to celebrate this colorful festival. It is a time when people can forget their differences and come together to enjoy the vibrancy and joy of Holi. If you are planning to celebrate Holi, it is important to keep in mind some safety tips. Use organic and safe colors, wear old clothes, and protect your eyes with goggles. It is also important to stay hydrated and to avoid playing Holi with strangers. In conclusion, Holi is a festival that is celebrated with great enthusiasm and joy across India and other parts of the world. It is a time to come together with family and friends, to celebrate unity and love, and to enjoy the colors and vibrancy of spring. So, this Holi, let us come together to celebrate and spread love and happiness.